Well, here in London, we face a climate emergency, but also a health crisis. And what we've launched today is the fruits of a year's worth of work from the electric vehicle task force that began work, the best of the public sector and the best of the private sector, to remove the obstacles that are in the way for a transition from petrol and diesel vehicles to electric vehicles. And what we've launched today is a delivery plan to how we get there. Look, we want an electric vehicle revolution, and there are many obstacles in the way to that revolution being a reality. From the difficulty people have to getting permission, from the fact that there is no coordination about where these charging points go, the lack of speed in the delivery of these charging points. So here in London, we've made huge progress over the last 3 years, more rapid charging points than any major city in the world. We're going to go even further. We're going to have rapid charging hubs across our city. The first one by the end of this year, 4 more over the course of the next few years. We're in a coordination body to make sure we can coordinate across our city to make sure the charging points and the rapid charging points go in the right way, but also make sure we continue to have good partnership between the private sector and the public sector. And this will lead to innovation, but also opportunities. I want the innovators around the world to see London as a hotbed for them to pioneer what they're invested in, but also for them to realise we're a city that not just addresses the climate emergency, not just addresses the health crisis, but also is a place where we can have good growth. I think one of the things we've seen over the last 3 years is a change of mindset of Londoners. They understand the importance of addressing the climate emergency. They understand the importance of addressing the health crisis. We need people to realise that electric is a good option. We're working with those in charge of the grid to make sure we invest in the grid being as best as it can be going forward. We've got to make sure people realise that we want more people walking, cycling, using public transport. Where they need a vehicle, it should be electric or hydrogen powered.